I don't know why the steak's so dry.
Well, it's a beautiful day here in Somerville for this episode of the North Shore Three-Way. What's up, everybody? Arty 84 here. North Shore Three-Way, episode 7. We're getting a steak bomb today. Went to a place never really heard of before. I heard of it yesterday. I guess there's one over here in Somerville. It's raining out. It's beautiful today. It's called Wich. So we need one of those. I got a build your own steak, white bread, swish, peppers, pickles, salt, and pepper. It's about like $10 and change. Fucking soaking wet. You know, picked a great time to go out to get lunch. So we're gonna try it, see how it is. I'll let you know. We're gonna eat it together. It's gonna be fun for everyone. So here we go. All right, so I ordered it online. Make life easier. They do cut it, which is nice. It's a plus. I like when they cut the sandwich like that. It makes it easy, I guess, for to eat it, I guess. So, I'm gonna tell you, the steak right now, first glance, looks a little dry. You know, it doesn't look as like wet and moist as you get like at a sub shop. But okay, greasy, and they didn't give you any napkins. So that's a loss of a point right there. They didn't give you napkins. So first bite, I can taste the hot peppers. Yeah, steak's dry. I'm gonna take a look at it right there. There's the camera. There it is. I mean, it's edible. I'm also starving. All I have is a fruit basket this morning. A fruit basket. Oh my god. Farmer. I got a fruit cup for breakfast. So, they do toast the bread, which is a nice, melts the cheese a little bit. That's why I used to like the Quiznos. The Quiznos was a good place. I missed that place. They used to cook the sandwich in the conveyor belt, melt it. I think Subway does that. Yep. I don't know if Subway's still using the fake bread. Or using that bread that had plastic in it or something. I'm not sure. Peppers are hot, very hot. Nice little kick to it. Fortunately, I didn't bring a beverage with me today, so I'm sans the beverage. It's okay though. I don't know why the steak's so dry. Usually when you get a steak bomb, it's a little more flavor to it. But and really just the peppers. Cheese. I got Swiss cheese because I like Swiss cheese. I was gonna get the pepper jack. I was gonna get both, but I'll take a few more bites and I'll get back. I'm on the half number 2. Like I said, the toasted bread is a plus. And typically I would take you into the journey of me traveling to this place, but of course the rain has let up now, and I probably should have just waited a half hour. But it would have been wet and messy, and I almost got hit by an 18-wheeler. Well, it would not have been a good experience for anyone, but it is what it is. So assembly's weird. I usually park in a lot of them right now. It's like free parking for 3 hours at the old mall where it used to be that it came up. The old came up. I'll walk to the bank and I'll walk to a place to eat, whatever. But today was not walking. So I drove to each location. I happened to find some parking out front, but on a typical day, if I'm here like another half hour later, I'm not finding any spots. I'm walking, dogging it out. Wow. Got a lot to tell. So the second half of the sandwich has a little more meat to it. You can see the meat, it's a little bit thicker, some thick meat. Still tell the dry side. The meat really doesn't have much flavor to it. I'm really just tasting the cheese and the peppers and the pickles. But I'll say it's not my favorite steak bomb. Not terrible. Price point's alright. Well, they're like a sub shop, but it's a chain, I guess, right? I don't know if there's any more around here. First time I ever heard one. I'm sure there's one in downtown Boston somewhere. Interesting name, Wich. It's like a play on words. Alright, so I ate it. My conclusion, it was alright. Decent sandwich. Wouldn't die over it if I had to, you know. Get a steak bomb somewhere better. I don't know how that cold cut sandwiches are. Missed the old sub shops, those are the best, but I give it like a C. It's an average sandwich. Well, what are you gonna do? Fills you up. I didn't make a sandwich today, so I had to get a sandwich. So I went to Wich. And which did I get? I got the steak. So maybe some of the cold cuts bad. I was looking for an Italian per se, they didn't have something of that nature, so, but you know, it is what it is. A hot sandwich is good. Plus the steak had a little more flavor to it. Probably give it a B. Let's give it a B minus. I don't want to be too harsh, but there you go. So that's the No Show 3-way. If you like it, subscribe, leave a comment below, tell us what you think, and comments and whatever. Thumbs up, all that bullshit. And we'll see you guys later. Bye.